Writing a will is often considered a very lengthy and complex process. With Waseeya, you get the freedom to create your will, anytime, anywhere, with a simple 15-minute journey. It helps you determine your legal heirs under an Islamic will, appoint guardians for your children, document your debts, write valuable advice to your loved ones, and much more. If anyone important is born or passes away, you can easily update or redraft your will, making Waseeya a one-of-a-kind, live will platform. As part of your will writing process, Waseeya lets you record your assets and debts in an assets register. And when it comes to having everything in one spot, our app empowers you to formalize gifts by deed, or share special advice with anyone on your contact list. Waseeya, your one-stop app to make legally binding wills and documents. Sign up now and write your will today.